How to use Visa gift card on Walmart online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Visa gift card on Walmart online. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you can head into the official website, the walmart.com, and you wanna select the item that you wish to purchase, and you wanna go ahead and proceed to checkout. Now you can simply select the item that you wish to buy, and you can add it to cart or you can add it to favorite. Now it's added to my favorite. I'll just go to my favorite list real quick here, and I'll add all to cart, and I'll just head into cart here by tapping on the cart icon at the top right corner. Now once in cart, you want to continue to checkout here. Simply tap on continue to checkout and proceed to checkout. Now here it'll ask you to enter in certain details, right? You'll be able to enter in here. I'll just do this, no thanks. And now you can see you'll be able to enter in your card, your payment methods and such. So as you can see here, pay with card option under the payment methods, it says gift card as well. So you'll have to enter in your Visa gift card details like you enter in any other card details, and you'll be able to use that. So this way you can use Visa gift card online on Walmart online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.